Everyone to another unboxing video. My videographer is not in today, so you are getting my floppy handheld unboxing. So let's get rid of all of our paper here and see what is in the box this week. It's a big box, so let's see what we've got. Oh, we've got some talking books. We've got the Golden Poppies. Elizabeth's going to be excited. She's been waiting for some new talking books from Sand and Ash. Let's see what this one is. Oh, a new Louise Penny talking book. A Fire Sparking. Looks like we got quite a few good ones. Oh, latest Danielle Still, or one of her newer ones. And another talking book is The Last Train to London. And I can see some kids' books on top. We have a new board book, All the Little Snowflakes. Oh, Alex Trebek. Another James Patterson. Ellen Hart in a Midnight Wood. The Canyon's Edge, looks like kids' junior fiction. I like that cover. The Wern books, ooh, looks kind of creepy. Looks like a graphic novel, yeah. Nora Roberts paperback. The latest in the Zelda Twilight Princess graphic novels. 3 Keys. We've got, oh, Christmas stuff already. Peas on Earth, a board book. Looks pretty adorable. And now we're going to Thanksgiving. Pearl and Squirrel Give Thanks. We're always kind of low on Thanksgiving books here, so it's nice to see when they come out with some. Red Shoes. Cute picture book. The 12 Unicorns of Christmas. Headed right back to Christmas. I can't believe we've got Christmas books, guys. Nonfiction book all about plastic. Looks interesting. Beetle and the Hollow Bones. I believe this is also a graphic novel. Let's see, yes. Star Whale. For all you narwhal lovers out there. I Am Human. Oh, latest Robert Munch. We have Teamwork. In the Dark, The Science of What Happens at Night. Thread and Dead. A pun. I always love paperback puns. The latest Hardy Boys Clues book for your easy reader chapter books. Me and White Supremacy. I believe that was one of the ones on the Overdrive Black Lives Matter. She, he, they, them, understanding gender identity. Oh, we've got a new Ellen Hildebrand, 28 Summers. Deadly Anniversaries. Oh, Iris Johansson book coming your way. Another Iris Johansson. Where you're going to see a lot of weird stuff happening, like getting tons of books all at once because the publishing world's a little bit crazy right now. To Sleep in a Sea of Stars. Yeah, they pushed off a lot of publishing, so we're getting more and more in now. Killer Kung Pao. And the Boxcar Children. A good classic. We're getting a few of those in. The Line Life of Adults. We've got some DVDs. Hope Gap. Oh, Arthur, the Ultimate Collection DVD. Come and See. The Great Buddha. and The King of Staten Island for DVDs. We've got the latest Full Metal Alchemist in for you. Cemetery Boys, I believe that's YA. None Shall Sleep. And the last one is called Unbirthday. It's a twisted tale. And that's what's in this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. You can always let us know if you'd like to put any of these on hold. Just remember to give us a couple of weeks to make them all cataloged and ready for you. Thanks, bye.